Unboxing ITOUCH Stimulation Gloves. So it also comes sealed in a package that you would just have to open up yourself. Take them out of the package. You'd notice two connector port, which is on the wrist area of the glove, on both of them. And this is exactly where you'd be placing the cables. You need to use both of them to put them onto your hands at the same time. On the back of the box, it gives you the features. Like I mentioned, it is reusable, washable, and one size fits all. So it will be very good for someone with arthritis in the hands, gout, trigger finger, poor blood circulation, numbness. As you do need sanitizer before you connect the gloves onto your hands for conduction. That is the unboxing of your stimulation gloves.